Welcome back. So on the agenda for today is notes on 11.5 volume of pyramids with some practice problems. By the end of class today, you should be able to calculate the volume of pyramids. That's your goal. So when we're talking about the volume of a pyramid, it can be shown using this formula. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 multiplied by the area of the base times the height of your prism. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you guys look at this video on your own, just explaining why this volume ends up being true in the case of the pyramid, why the equation ends up being true. We just don't have time in class. So as an example, find the volume of the pyramid. So again, looking at the base shape of this pyramid, we have a triangle. So first, go ahead and find the area of a triangle. What's the area of this triangle? Keep in mind it is a right triangle. You should have gotten that the area would be 1/2 times 4, that's my base, times 6. So 1/2 times 4 times 6, which I'm showing you here. And then I'm multiplying that by the height of my triangle, which is given to me as 9 meters. And then again, because we're talking about the volume of a pyramid, we have to take that base shape area multiplied by the height, and we're only going to take 1/3 of that. So we're multiplying that by 1/3. I'm showing this part in brackets, the 6 times 4 times 1/2, because I just want to show the base shape area in brackets. Okay, and so again, 6 times 4 times 1/2, that's going to be 12 times 9, which is the height, and then that's going to be multiplied by 1/3. So 12 times 9 times the 1/3 gives me 36 meters cubed. Again, from my other set of notes, we know that volume unit should be shown as cubed. Go ahead and find the volume of this triangular prism. So my base shape is a square, since each side length is going to be the same, denoted by the tick marks, and the corner is 90 degrees. So I'm going to find the area of the square, multiply that by the height of my pyramid, and then multiply that by 1/3. So 10 times 10, my area of my base, times the height, times it by 1/3. That gives me 400 centimeters cubed. Go ahead and find the height of this triangular pyramid. Notice this time we're given the volume, we're given the measurements for our base shape, its height and its base, and we're solving for the height. Okay, so that means that if I look at my equation, volume equals 1/3, and then I'm just using B to represent the area of the base times the height of my triangular pyramid. So that means that I know the volume in this case is given to me, 14 feet cubed. So I can show V is 14 feet cubed. I have my 1/3. I can go ahead and I can solve for the area of my base. 4 times 3 is 12, but it's a pyramid. I'm sorry, it's a triangle. So I'm only going to take half of that. And that's going to give me 6. And I'm missing the height. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work with what I know. So 1/3 times 6 is 2. And then 2 times the height needs to equal 14 feet cubed. So I'm just going to divide both sides by 2 feet squared, and then that leaves me with the height has to be 7 feet in order to work with the volume that we have.